Top 10, we going further. We were top 10 dead or alive. I swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
What is going on, everybody? Today is the day. I'm gonna be taking all the parts to Riotusa down in South Florida. We got the 9th gen here. Definitely need some love. She's gonna get all the love soon, bro. We getting closer and closer to getting her back up and running. What's going on, y'all? Currently on my way to South Florida to drop off the engine and the transmission to be built. I know I showed y'all all the parts that I have and everything. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and watch that video. I covered all the parts that I got for this built motor, so I know I didn't tell y'all yet. I went ahead and also copped some carbon synchros for the transmission. Last time I opened the transmission over 2 years ago, it was pandemic time. Synchros weren't in stock at that time. There you go right there, carbon synchros for the 9th gen. Look at this wrap though. South Florida be having the whips, bro. That shit clean. That wrap is tough, bro. Dropping off the engine in pieces and the transmission off to Riotusa in order for him to do his work. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I ain't asking yet. Really not that pressed because I'm still waiting on the last part. The part that I'm actually waiting on is a game changer too. So it's been about 6 months and the bag is finally getting unpacked.
Stango thumbtack will. Look.
I think that's for the tensioner.
Look like you're shooting a heroin with that thing. God damn.
I guess I still got little brains though.
What's going on here, bro?
That f***ing bird lit my shit up. Bum. Boy, he had a feast on my shit. Yeah. More sentient boy.
Are you a sentient boy?
Big back coming on the light.
I ain't choose this life, bro. I did not.
What you mean? This could be the gym every day.
I lift things up and put them down.
This life chose me, bro. You see that? See that camera? We gotta figure out how to break this shit, camera without breaking my hand.
It's all about the angles, cousin.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yo! It's okay.
You made it worse.
It's okay, I'll watch it. It's okay. I'll watch it. Edit that. Show the box a little.
Yo, what are you? Look, that's Supreme, bro.
Top of the box. Yo, y'all gotta make sure and watch these videos for real.
You gotta be fast with the camera, bro. You gotta
monetize.
Yo, Mike, look at me.
Like he's monetized, getting right tight shit.
When I start talking, you gotta flip it to me. Yeah.
Right back. This can't be top of the box logo doing this dumb shit. Whew, that should be going. Cause this is maxed out. We already maxed out to short tire out, guaranteed. That's some space created now. Right. I'm playing now. It's a lot. I was just curious to see how low it got. Come on, bro. These are stream rules, bro.
Stream little BCs, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my shit. Hold up. My son Riot.
She lit, your money too, like
Yeah.
He a rapper but don't got a chain. Stuck in my waist so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. She a baddie, she knows she a 10.
I'm not gonna lie. I thought you were just gonna lower it like that, but I forgot this side was off. Yo.
Big gang,
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, that shit cut the fuck up.
Barber to the chopsticks. He said, "This seems like it's hibachi, boy." No. Walk with me, gang.
Get some.
gang.
Okay.
Damn, nigga. You see this?
I'm not gonna lie, you wavy too. I'm not
Wavy?
gonna lie. Oh boy, it's wavy.
Cement truck, you know, on the sidewalk doing cement. And they were like, back it up, beep. They was like, oh, fuck. Put a note on my shit.
Left the note.
This shit was parked, bro.
What the note said?
The note said,
What the note said? They paying for your shit, right?
yeah, they paying for the rent, bro. Let me tell you about
Oh,
some
shit.
technology, dog.
I'm not gonna lie, I was wondering ski. In the key ski.
Stop playing.
Open this shit real quick, bro.
I ain't even got a key on me.
God damn, is this shit even yours, nigga?
Bro, I had so much plans. I was gonna go Lineum Jade rapper paint. I wanted chrome lip, bronze face wheel. I wanted roof rack. Oh
You
man.
about to go stupid, huh?
That about to go down.
That shit sucks.
You know what's coming next?
Drew had a long day. Okay?
Don't start with me, okay?
Damn, I can't see.
Don't start. No. Don't start with me.
What you mean? Phil, I'm about to move. Hey Rick, you can throw me
Cool, I'm good.
Damn, I baited.
Yo, throw them shit real quick.
I got you.
Yo.
If Hulk was on lunch break, this should have been done. They on his lunch break and shit.
Hurry up, you get paid by the hour.
I don't get paid enough.
I'm not making enough. They not watching the ads and they not buying them.
Buy some merch. I'm tired of eating these Kid Cup ass guacamole bowls, bro.
I watch every fucking ad, bro. Don't say you don't get paid enough, bro. On 2 different devices.
I ain't gonna lie, I got YouTube Red, bro. You're grits.
That's f***ed up.
I've been clocked out for my 15-minute lunch break.
Yo, hold on.
Bro, and you're trying to get shit done? Shit gotta get done, bro. You hear me? And you're trying to get shit done? Shit gotta get done, bro. You hear me?
Get done, no.
More aggressive.
Damn, bro.
Might have a swollen finger or a broken pinky. I took my 15-minute break 40 minutes ago. I'm still off the clock.
Who does this think he is,
Wait,
bro?
you took a 15-minute break when?
40 minutes ago, Rick.
Oh, you still in hours.
While the camera's on, I'm not. I'm not stealing out. While the camera's on, I'm working.
You on payroll?
Yes.
How are you on payroll?
Time out. Wait, y'all get paid?
This is bad. This is very bad.
We'll get you right. We'll get you on the payroll, bro.
Get me on.
I can't promise minimum wage though. Niggas wasn't supposed to say shit.
Oh, so
I would. I just thought about it. Cause you're an intern.
I'm saying no.
Yeah, he's an
Bro,
unpaid
stop
intern.
talking about he just gonna get mad.
I'm sorry, bro.
are you getting paid?
Bro,
Drew, you asking too many questions, bro.
why you think I'm getting paid? I deserve to be on payroll. I'm watching every video.
Like, not a lot. He is watching every video. He watching the ads.
Get paid, young nigga. Get paid.
Money, Drew. Oh, wait. Oh,
Bro, supervisors, a whole lot. Pay, young nigga. Get
Yo,
paid.
Mark, stop talking about money.
A lot of talking, not enough working.
Nigga.
I'm floor supervisor. I'm supervising the floor. First of all, that's a safety hazard. Step to the left. Step to your left, sir. That's a safety hazard.
Buffering.
When the f did you get here?
Buffering.
Bro, what the f?
Does he get paid?
if he's on payroll, I quit. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, we pay. Yeah, we
Let's go this, man.
I quit.
Nigga, you were never enrolled.
Bitch ass nigga. Go pack your bag. Fuck out of here. Did it go up, nigga?
Tree time.
I'm floor supervisor. Everything's in order. Safety inspection. Nigga, you don't work here.
And you should be fired.
You should get. Yeah, I'm about to say this.
Nah, bitch.
Yeah, just bring check this case.
We going to say Brando?
Yeah.
Nigga getting stuck in every one of my videos now, huh? My elaborate on? In the trunk. Look like a club in this bitch. I'm saying.
Damn, y'all couldn't pump it with your hand?
Why
would you? Some leverage,
yeah,
bro.
the pole right there. Yeah, why the f would you?
That was strike 2, Rick.
You cut on camera, right? The f.
I don't like any of you.
Oh, God damn it. Can't do anything right. Oh, shit. She feeling spicy. Bro, I'm just driving my f***ing Civic, nigga. Yo. Stuck right in the middle. Can't no one go around this thing. Oh, he gonna try.
Why did he try this?
Holy f, bro. Yep. You're framed out. This concrete is not regular concrete. This shit is the nastiest concrete I've ever seen.
I'm gonna see you, fam.
Look at the level changes, bro. It's a whole hand, bro. Nah, you're insane, bro. Have you not seen it during the day or some shit?
This shit had a little metal plate over it yesterday.
Oh, they did.
Ain't gonna lie, I got out the car though. I came, put a flashlight. I was like, I can make it.
Tree time.
This nigga picked the worst road to come down, fam. You're live, G37. Look at this shit, bro.
Control arm stuck right here.
Grants.
This is the bottom one right here. All right, let's take the bottom one out completely, right?
I'm the type of nigga take out both collars and just ride on spring pressure, adjust your height based on the strut.
That's already maxed out, so I'm gonna try one first.
And I'll do both. And then adjust it through the strut.
Bro, Did you get stuck on the paper?
No thread, nigga. Thread it back. Thread it back, nigga.
Life is rough right now, man. This is what your people send you to school for? This is what your people send you to Orlando to do, bro? Hey, yo! One more, cause see, I ain't gonna lie, they like me catch that shit unexpected, big ass dent in the side of the door. Oh, yeah, you're right. I forgot. Yeah, bro, this is what's going on.
Do you need that?
No, yeah, say that.
Hey, be honest, I got curves or not?
Bro, why?
Why?
Why you ask that question, bro?
Bucky boy!
Can you bend over?
Huh?
Tired of suffering.
Yo, someone push this nigga over, bro.
Hey, bro.
Yo, leave that. Yo, turn off the light. Oh, bro, just leave this nigga. Good night, nigga.
Idiot.
It's even now, fam. That's the thing. You got some brand new Rohanas. Wrong side, but all you see is got a little court back here. That's tough.
The collection. Okay, got some shit on here, bro. Trust me, if you're looking for some shit, they're gonna get it. The boys are hustlers. Three of them.
I've been one of these.
Mirror? Mirror.
Oh,
Wait a minute. I ain't gonna lie, I was wondering. I was like, how do I play with them?
Oh.
Sneaker shop. Yeah, got you.
Nah, he's not gonna lie, whoever set this up, yeah, they told
He's definitely a point only. So I got camera set up, so it's on underneath to run up on you.
All of these are 10. It's crazy how all this was trash, though. We turned it into something crazy.
These are quality dudes, man. If these dudes is real passionate, you know what I mean? We don't just do stuff like that, you know what I mean? We don't just do stuff like that's here, bro. These dudes.
This is deep, bro. I gotta get one of these dudes to paint my hood, like under my hood, bro.
We're about to start doing next event. It's gonna be an open hood event.
Yo,
so
where?
we're gonna have all the hoods open and artists, you know what I mean?
Yo.
You pick your artists depending on the art that you see on the walls, and they'll rock out, you know what I mean? For
No cap.
price. You know, the last day of October. Oh, you can take a year out to go up.
Tree time.
I ain't gonna lie, I said, fuck the wheels in the back. No.
Nah, that shit is money.
Good. Right here. Oh, no, bring it up.
Get on a flat surface.
That's perfect right there.
Tough, bro. Drive like that, bro. Drive like that. Nice Civic pulling in.
That whole is sitting, man.
How you like them?
I love them. Every penny, I love that shit.
That's the real shit, right?
Yeah, but let them boy know, bro.
What that say?
No, don't show them.
Don't show them? Don't show them?
Show them the back boy. They don't need to know about the Continental. The
What's that? That's tough.
Let them see Fat Boy. This what he gonna wear to all the niggas in the back. Bye.
What's good, bro? What's good, Bongo? Alright.
Hey! I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this guy. a little something. Look, little something right there. So I made a little wood right there. Yeah, little something. Yeah, sir. Stop playing with me.
What did you just say, fam?
Bitch, you all his ass up.
Gotta wash my hands, cuz. Holy
Shit.
shit.
Don't wash your hands. Let me look at it.
Yo!
Damn. Okay. You took that shit fast as fuck.
I guess you don't care.
Yo.
Only because this nigga go to the gym, bro. That nigga core test up quick.
Yeah, that's
Meanwhile, you got niggas like me on the clock.
Bro.
22. It's been 20 minutes. Get up.
Are you getting paid?
I'm free. I'm a freelancer.